The threader project seems finished, but what happened to have a new panel and new frame? Hi, welcome to Slow Engineering. I'm David. In the last threader video, the machine seems to have threaded plastic without issue. However, when I put a solid object, the frame twisted when the threader blades engaged with the sturdy part. This incident made me realize that the threader was less robust than I had initially thought. To fix the original frame, I use L-bracket or corner brackets to secure them. However, these screws become weak spots when the frame is subjected to high torque. Therefore, it is necessary to have a fully welded frame to ensure the threader can handle high torque engagements without any issue. The new welded frame is made of 30-30 square steel tubes, all fully welded together. Unlike before, I only designed holes for the threader and gearbox this time. Instead of screws, I will be using two-side tape for the other enclosure panels to reduce the risk of screws loosening in the future. Additionally, I ordered an aluminum plate to level both shafts, although the former spacers still look good. Having a solid plate with 4 holes provides more stability than using 2 small pieces. It is important to note that changing the frame will also change the size. Due to this, the original control panel no longer fits with the new frame, and a new panel is required. Unfortunately, there isn't enough space on the front side of the frame to create a design similar to the original. As a solution, I have designed a new panel at the front of the gearbox, which is taller and angled to accommodate all the necessary interfaces. The side of the panel remains open for easy access inside. I printed the part with fuzzy skin and the reveal support pattern, which resulted in a unique and beautiful surface. Insert the bottom screen and the other electrical components into their respective positions. The emergency button remains loose until the power wires are installed. Secure the breadboard inside the panel after all the components are in position. They will need to be connected to the lower electrical room later. After making the necessary changes to the threader, the only remaining task is to reassemble it.
At 20 me none, and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
I am delighted that the shredder is now functioning better than before. It has significantly improved safety, stability, and size. Its control panels are now cleaner. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with my future projects. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.